Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, December 7th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a few reminders. Again, tonight we have our live chat, which I'm expecting to be rather lively. Tonight at 8 p.m. Lively. Yeah, that makes sense. This is going to be a very interesting discussion, I think, tonight, because there is a lot of interesting takes about the evolution of our weather pattern that I'm going to basically debunk and explain, like, hey, look, everything I've been saying is pretty much evolving. And if you're interested in more details on that, I just completed a 15-minute premium video discussion. If you want to check out the premium consulting membership, it's only $11 a month or $80 a year, whatever fits your budget. And we also have a seasonal option as well that covers you for the entire winter for about $30. So definitely check that out and stay ahead of all this insanity on social media. Talking about unsettled conditions, well, the coast is certainly unsettled with fog and drizzle and showers, as we have a stationary front hanging around the region and a low pressure system approaching from the west. Showers have developed over the region as well, and visibility is ranging anywhere from a half a mile to a mile and a half, so not exactly the best driving conditions out there. Temperatures generally range from the lower to mid-50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, with a light southerly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Taking a look at our surface map and radar, you can see rain is on the move. You got these waves of showers, with some of those featuring some heavier downpours. And here's our wave of low pressure that will be moving through today with clearing skies by the time we get to this evening. So the evening rush hour looks to be better than the morning rush hour in terms of driving conditions. Before we move forward, I want to show you this here, the water vapor satellite picture. I use this a lot when I talk in the premium discussions. And it's great because it allows you to see everything in the atmosphere, right? And I have to admit, one of the meteorologists who showed me this first when I was a kid on the Weather Channel, Jim Cantori, when I saw that, I was amazed, right? So, extending the favor, and maybe someone who's young as well is taking a look at this and like, wow. So, we have a couple of features here, and the reason why I wanted to expand and show this is that it really illustrates how the pattern is changing. We've been dealing with this ridge here, and it's been stubborn, and it's what we call the subtropical jet stream. This upper level feature right here, this trough associated with this cold front and wave of low pressure, is in the process of breaking that ridge down. And once that ridge is broken down, then the cold air associated with it, the polar and eventually Arctic air masses, are then able to press southward. And that leads to a colder weather pattern and an active weather pattern overall. So that is what's happening right here, and that's why we're seeing this on the infrared satellite picture, where we have enhanced cloud tops here as we get this clash that's ongoing. This is with the polar jet stream, and all of this is moving through our region. And as this ridge gets broken down, we're going to have a series of short waves or disturbances that are going to be moving through the region, transporting colder conditions into our area, and possibly increasing the potential for some rain and snow for the region, and possibly accumulating snow. So we'll keep an eye on that, right? So let's dive into this forecast. For today, our cold front will gradually move through with our wave of low pressure. Temperatures will essentially hold in the lower to mid 50s and then fall through the 40s this evening. Tonight into tomorrow, look for clearing skies with low temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures rebounding into the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. On Friday, high pressure will be in place Friday morning with scattered cloud cover and generally chilly conditions. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. In the afternoon and evening, we'll have this wave of low pressure that's going to be basically diving towards the south and falling apart and falling under influence of this trough here. So widely scattered to isolated rain snow showers will be a threat. You might see a few snowflakes even on the coastal plain, but again, this isn't a significant precipitation event in any way, shape, or form. Look for high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. And on Saturday morning, that trough/low pressure system will be exiting the region, but again, scattered broken cloud cover and a few pesky rain and snow showers, with low temperatures on Saturday in the lower to mid 30s. In the afternoon, we'll have scattered cloud cover with high pressure building in from the north, basically from Quebec. That's going to lead to high temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Sunday, high pressure continues to nose in with scattered cloud cover, but we have another area of low pressure approaching, this feature right here. And we have all sorts of storms developing to the south of the Canadian Maritimes. So you have this stretching going on in the atmosphere. So Sunday morning, scattered cloud cover, low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s throughout the region. In the afternoon and evening, this low pressure system dives, and what we get is what's called an inverted trough. Now, there's a lot of debate as far as what the intensity of that precipitation would be. Inverted troughs are very difficult to forecast in terms of specific precipitation amounts. So if you see snow maps floating out there, just ignore them because they're going to change. And there's a lot to work out in this scenario, but certainly in this case, with temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s, for highs, you'll start off with like rain, some little bit of snow mixed in, and then Sunday night into Monday morning, as the trough is slowly exiting, that precipitation will change over to frozen precipitation of sleet and snow, whether that's showers or as an organized area of precipitation, we just don't know yet, but certainly cold enough for frozen precipitation with low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s throughout the region. That all exits out of here by Monday afternoon with scattered cloud cover and temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s for highs. On Tuesday, Arctic high pressure builds south with tranquil conditions, dry conditions, low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. And on Wednesday, high pressure slowly starts to give way with increasing cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. And then we're going to be watching this low pressure system and this feature right here. As this approaches, this is another scenario where you have your primary low to the west, probably tracking towards the eastern Great Lakes. So in this scenario, while we'll get a secondary low starting to form here on Wednesday night, I think you'll have a better potential for some frozen precipitation north and west of the major cities, especially around northeastern Pennsylvania, the Poconos, maybe northwestern suburbs of Philadelphia as well, as this comes in. And then the warm air basically overcomes that colder air as this whole feature lifts northward, and then cold air comes crashing in 24 hours later and then becomes sustained. Right around December 15th. Sounds familiar. Anyway, that is your forecast discussion for today. I will see you tonight at 8 p.m. where we'll have a very spirited and I think fun live chat. And in the meantime, as always, stay safe out there.